Good day, everyone. This is Michelle R. Maglinis, and now I am going to make a short video of our subject, the teaching social studies in the elementary grades. And now I am going to report or make a video about our assignment 105, which is multimedia approach. Our task is we have to create a short video or vlog that explicates three examples of media that can be used in teaching and learning process. Technology is rapidly growing in all aspects of modern societies, and education is no expectation. In line with this trend, information and communication technology is increasingly utilized as a teaching and learning tools in educational activities. We have here the assignment 105, which is multimedia approach. I have here three explicit or examples of a media that can be used in teaching and learning process. The first one that I choose is the cellular phones or mobile phones. Um, in class, in a class, wide text can keep students up to date on assignments, and as students can use their phones as a class planner to record the important dates, for examples, like a project. A cell phone can also play an important role in gathering some media report, like recording video, photos, or making audio vlogs. Like this one, I am using my phones or mobile to record a short vlog of what is multimedia approach. The second one is the Google Meet. Google Meet is useful for students like me, like in an online class. It is useful for me because here Meet can empower us to enrich teaching and learning with advanced features like breakout rooms, live streaming, attendance tracking, question and answer, polling, and more when you sign up for a teaching and learning upgrade or educational plus. Why is Google Meet good for an online class? Because considering it is a security and privacy issues, Google Meet is the best option for schools who frowns at data breach. Google Meet also is likewise a better program if we have students that need to call in as opposed to joining by means of video, since Google doesn't charge any extra call in fee no. What is the impact of Google Meet to the learning community? For me, as an online student, this kind of platforms for a blended learning like Google Meet, Google Classroom supports the students like me in communication and collaboration with others. It offers instant feedback from the teacher and provide us with a personal learning settings in a classroom also. It provides the students or like me with the exposure to an online learning system. Many colleges and university programs requires now the students to enroll in an instant one online class exposure to a Google Classroom. It may help us or help me as a student into a transitions into other learning management systems used in a higher education, like I am right now. The last one that I am explicit or explain is the use of video in teaching and learning is a common practice also in education today. As we all know, learning online becomes more of or a common practice in education, because of the situation we are right now, because of the pandemic. So most of us, even though the younger in grade school, in kindergarten or high school or at the college like us or some like that, um, online class is the trend now, because through online class we can still continue the education, like what is in the streaming in education system. It says that academic streaming describe the process of dividing students into differentiated groups based on their perceived academic ability and or a prior achievement. um, uh, I was searching in the internet um, a while ago. It said that it's shown that streaming also has a harmful or disadvantage sequences for both individual students and education system, or more broadly. And in other hand, also using media streaming, uh, it is good also to enhance teaching and learning complements, like traditional approaches to learning. Using media engages the students like me, um, to aid student retentions of knowledge. It also motivates our interest in the subject matter, and to illustrate the relevance of the concept of learning, because through online or the streaming like we are using right now, the book, which is our dashboard, this is one of the example also of how media can be used in teaching and learning process. Although we don't have the face-to-face class like how we are used before the pandemic was being announced. So in the 21st century, because we are in innovative technology, as everybody knows, so it's also advantage for us to use this kind of platforms, so that we can still continue our studies, even though just an online. We can still finish what we have started before the pandemic was being released. So that's all, I think, my explanation with how the multimedia approach can be used in learning and teaching process. That's all, and thank you. Have a good day. God bless.